No. What'd I do? Turn the clicker off. Oh my gosh, we got 3 on. Hey guys, this is David and Dakota with Mercer Outdoors. We're here on a different lake this morning. We're gonna give Lake Hickory a try. We came up here one time earlier in the fall, or the end of summer, but it was right after a flood, so the fishing conditions were terrible. There was floating logs everywhere. So finally getting around to getting back up here, and we're gonna see if we can get on some striper up here today. So we're gonna try some of the same patterns we've been doing on Lake Norman. We're gonna slow troll some A-rigs, as well as may try some full-size umbrella rigs as well. But you guys come go with us. No. What'd I do? Turn the clicker off. Oh my gosh, we got 3 on. Just let them go. Just pay attention to what you're, I don't know, let's see.
I think we're all tangled up.
Okay, let's just take our time. Okay. All right, you go under that one. And just remember, don't let your you just want to keep the rod tip loaded. That girl.
Dead.
Here, let me get this slobber up there so we can... That's a little funner than a hybrid, ain't it?
I'm gonna start reeling this one in. Let me just... Leadcore.
That's insane.
That's 3 big ones now, right?
Yep. Well, 3 big ones and a decent one. We'll throw that one back. You want your picture with this one or just the big ones?
This big one.
Hey guys, just give you a quick update. We're on Lake Hickory and the bite is already on fire. We've already got 6 fish in the boat. I think 4 have been 24-inch plus fish. Look at that right there. We're fixing to get eat up again.
Like,
Look at that. Birds are everywhere. Triples. Just wanted you guys to see the action. Oh my gosh. Dakota, look.
Holy crap.
I gotta go because it's fixing to get crazy. Oh, Jesus. There's another one. Another triple. Dakota, pull him towards you if you can.
Holy cow. What do I do?
That's a hot haul.
Let me just get him in the boat.
I'll help you. That one's running.
I'll get that one. Yeah, okay. Yep.
That's back-to-back triples.
This one feels giant.
Huh?
This one is big. Either big or heavy. Can't tell.
Take your time with it. We're going to take a break in a minute. So which one's next?
That down.
That's 4 on so far. Now be careful, don't like pump and like horse too hard. You definitely want to keep it loaded.
boat.
Picture of us right there.
How do I get the screen turned back on so I can see what?
Tap it, I think. Alright guys, some have asked me in the comments on Facebook, on YouTube, what my process is for putting out the planer board, so I'm just going to walk you through it. What I do is I drop the rig in the water, make sure everything's swimming good, I zero out my line counter. Okay, so zero out my line counter. In this instance, I'm running 60 foot back behind the planer board, so I'm going to let out 60 foot. Got to make sure I don't get it into my other rigs. Always keep your thumb on your spool as you're letting it out, because I've been struck plenty of times as you're letting it out, and if you ain't ready for it, it'll backlash. Okay, there's 60. So now what we do, I'm gonna hook on the Captain Macks perfect planer board. Just roll that around. Clip it on. And we're just gonna let it out. What the heck have I done here? There we go. I had it hooked backwards. I'm gonna leave that in the reel too, because everybody makes mistakes. There's a fish. There's two fish. Got fish going on everywhere. I'm gonna have to lay this down.
Oh my gosh.
Pull that over that way. Well, he's coming back this way. All right, come back to me. Yeah, you walk this way. Don't force it too much. That's an easy buddy. Get a little bit more light in. Bring him this way a little bit. Yeah, I think he's hooked on that fireboard line too. Be alright. Take your time. There you go. Oh shoot, he's hooking in that other line too.
Sucker's big.
Just take your time, don't horse him. Oh yeah, look at that. Come on, buddy. Nice fish, Dakota. Just keep it loaded, keep the rod tip loaded. Yeah, that's a nice one. Real nice one, bud.
I think he just ran into it. Yeah, he didn't even bite it.
Here, you step down behind me. Reel in a little bit more slack, come on. Bring it up a little bit. Come on. Got him. Nice one, bud.
Oh, sorry.
Nice boom. Oh, that's a good fish, buddy. Golly. Ow. That's another 30-inch fish. Oh gosh. Here, move that over.
He looks fatter than.
Yep. I think it's got a powerful. That's another 10 and a half. You want to hold him? You want him in a picture? Yeah, here, hold him. Hey guys, this is David and Dakota. We just got off the water from an awesome day on Lake Hickory. We absolutely wore them out. Caught, I think, 16 fish. Most of them were in the 24 to 28 range, and then we had 2 that were over 30 inches. It was absolutely awesome. Dakota got his Dakota caught the 2 30-inch fish and schooled me on that. So, but it was a great day. Can't wait to get the video out to you guys. Thank you again for subscribing and liking and watching our content. We absolutely enjoy doing this for you guys. So, just wanted to give you a quick update on that. The Captain Macks stuff was great. We were doing the same. Our plan worked. You know, we were slow trolling A-rigs, Captain Macks products behind the boat on Leadcore. Had 4 Leadcore lines out, and then we also had Captain Macks perfect planer boards out on each side. So it was a great strategy, and man, we put some fish in the boat. Had a triple multiple times, had a quad hookup one time, and we got 3 of those fish in, lost 1, just couldn't fight them all at the same time. So it was just mass chaos, but it was so fun. So just wanted to tell you guys we appreciate you, we love you, and don't forget, Jesus loves you. Talk to you soon.